Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have timer. You can set it on 3 or on 10 seconds, so let's set it on 3. And now let's try to make a photo, and as you can see, timer worked perfectly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.